Welcome to Florida History. My name is Mr. Pedrero. This is my fourth year teaching at Plant High School and my fourth year teaching the Florida History course, and I'm so happy that you've decided to enroll in this class and to learn all you can about the state of Florida. This is a really interesting course that's not something you're going to be getting in a lot of your other U.S. and world history classes, just because we're talking about Florida-specific things, and we're going to be digging really deep into Florida history, into the Florida culture, the Florida weather, the Florida government, and just a lot of different things about our great Sunshine State. We're going to learn about the natives. We're going to learn about the exploration of Florida, of the colonization. We're going to learn about Florida as a Spanish and British and then American territory, about Florida during the Civil War, about the Seminole Wars, about the history of Tampa, about industrialization, about modern Florida. There's so many different things that we're going to dig into in this course. I'll just be upfront with you that this is not a particularly difficult course, but it is a course that definitely requires your attention. It's meant to be interesting, it's meant to be very enriching, but definitely something that hopefully will be a break in your day and a way for you to relax in some ways, but also to, have some good hard work and just to learn a lot of interesting things about our state. In terms of the supplies, it's very standard stuff. There's no textbook. I'm going to provide you with all of the readings that you'll need, and anything notes-wise, worksheets, I'll be handing it to you in class or providing it over Canvas if we switch over to e-learning. This is a Canvas-based course, so a lot of stuff is going to be online. But for in-class work, it'll be the same type of stuff that you have in your other classes with pens and pencils, a binder, paper, all that kind of stuff. Well, anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I am so happy and thankful that you've decided to take this class, and I'm really looking forward to getting to work in Florida history.